Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials, and today I have a cool little video today. I'm doing a wig transformation video, and basically this is like a lace wig, my first time installing it, so you guys will get to see how that goes, and I feel like I did okay for my first time installing a lace. And make sure, if you're new to this channel, subscribe right now because I'm going to be making lit content. It's going to be a fun little YouTube squad here, so make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss like the videos that are coming up. And also enjoy this video. Hey guys, welcome to the Tutorials channel, and today I'm going to be installing a lace wig for the first time. As you can see, I got this wig cap on. I'm trying to see where it's gonna go. I'm gonna put it over my eyes because that's what I see on YouTube videos, and I'm also gonna cut the ears, and this is like a medium brown color. At this point, I was thinking I should have made my braids tighter, but it's okay. We're just gonna work with what we got. So now I'm going to be using my Got To Be spray, and this spray is so famous. Y'all already know this spray. I'm just going to be spraying it on my edges and a little bit more on my forehead, just in case I want to cut less or cut more. So now that I got it the way I want, I'm just gonna blow dry it and make sure it's completely dry. So this part is basically the make it or break it part. You want to cut from the middle, and cut small sections. Don't just cut a chunk off. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just like literally doing little sections, and then I'm gonna go from the scissors and razor and just keep going until I get my right head shape. Now I cut off most of it, and I'm really at the part where it's like your edges and your forehead and the skin all together. So you gotta be really careful here because the razor and the scissors are mad close to your edges. So be careful. And as you can see, I'm just gonna keep going little by little and making sure carefully that I take off the lace until I feel it's comfortable. So I had to, take that chunk of lace off because I didn't feel like that looked right. So I'm going carefully around the edges and the little light parts as closely as I can to make sure, it fits right and it looks right. So as you can see right now, I'm liking how this is going. I'm just like, yo, I really did this. Like, I'm thinking to myself, I really did this by myself. Like, I've been seeing this on TV, seeing this on YouTube videos, and now I'm doing it to myself. And I just went over, just, clean the last finishing touches. But I'm really impressed. I was really impressed at this point. So now I'm going to be putting on the wig for the first time and seeing how it fits on my head and how I'm going to place it. So now I'm just going to be taking, you know, my drugstore makeup, like contour type makeup, and just going over the edges to make sure it matches my skin before I glue down the wig. So this is the part where I glue down the lace, and I'm just going to take the Got2b spray and spray it on that side like 2 times. Take the blow dryer, make sure it's tacky, and then after that, then I press the lace down. As I was blow drying it, I had to make sure I kept feeling it to make sure if it was tacky enough, because you don't want it to get too hard or you're gonna have to repeat the process again. Now that the lace is connected and pressed down, I just hold it there for a few seconds and continue blow drying it. And I just finished doing this to the rest of my head, so now I'm just gonna make sure everything is pressed down with the comb, and I'm gonna make sure everything is completely dry. So at this point, I was getting excited. Like, I was like, yo, I'm brushing through this and it's not coming off. It's looking cute. It's like we're getting somewhere. I was like, we're really getting somewhere. And I was getting excited because I'm like, yo, I really just did this. And as you can see, it's really cute. It's looking so natural and I'm just loving it. I was low-key feeling myself. I was feeling his hair, you know. I was low-key feeling cute, like, no lie. So now it's time to like straighten it and get this hair ready to go. But before I do that, I'm gonna make sure to wipe the excess glue over my forehead and on my skin. So I just took like a baby wipe or something and just made sure that was all cleaned off. So as you can see, I was just straightening this. It's not like the right way you're supposed to straighten it, but I was just like, you know what, this is looking cute, so I just took it in chunks and just straightened it and just, you know, really hurry up the process. So I made sure to take out the bangs, really comb it through and make sure it's straightened, and basically just fix this hair up because this is the finished look. To be honest, this is the bob with the bang look, and I really like how this came out, especially for my first time putting on a lace wig by myself and styling it. I was really proud of this look. And I also did another look, the 90s inspired swoop look, and I'm gonna be posting that video right after this, so make sure you're subscribed and your post notifications are on so you don't miss out that video, because that really came out cute too, because this hair is very versatile. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more videos like this and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.